Hi, welcome to Fusion 360 video tutorial. It's a follow-up to the last one, the storage compartment. And again, I did two variations of that part, and I've used the same curves to get to those surfaces. So, let's have fun with Fusion 360. So these are the curves which I used for the original one. Maybe hide this one. And I need another curve over here, the same as this one. So I want to go for a 2D sketch on plane 1. It's not a 3D sketch. So I want to bring in these curves over there. So go for create, go for project, include, go for project, and select, take a closer look, this line, that arc, and this small line, and confirm, and finish this sketch. Now, the first variation, I might need two more lines. I could go for 3D lines, so go for a 3D sketch, maybe on that plane. Activate 3D sketch, and let's go for a line which starts at this point and goes up to that point. Repeat line from this point here to that point. That will do, so finish that sketch and maybe deactivate this one as well. Now let's add a loft. For create loft, and start with this line, choose that one as profile, then go for a rail. This would be one rail here, and the second rail would be over there. And confirm. Now I could hide those sketches. Yes. And now I want to use a patch on both sides. So if I could create patch, select this edge here, disable chaining, like that. And then we can go here for tangency. Then add this one, that one, and those two, and confirm. Same procedure over here. Go for another patch. Select this edge here, make it tangent, and then select the rest. No, sorry, that's wrong. I have to go, of course, therefore. And this one here. And confirm. Change the normal. Reverse it. Okay. And stitch them together. And confirm. So now I have two bodies at the same position. So I want to move it. So go for modify, go for move copy, select this body here along that direction. And in this case that would be -500. Bring back the first one, move this one as well, select it, and now it would be 500. And confirm. Let's bring back those sketches. And now I want to go for a loft in that direction. So go for a loft, select these 3 as profile and add those 3. Then go for the rails, this line and that line, and confirm. Reverse the normal of this surface and confirm. So now I want to do 2 slightly different lofts. I've hidden those sketches, that's okay. So go for repeat loft, and I want to select this here as profile and add that edge here as profile. Then I could go for tangency here and now add a rail, and that rail would be of course this line and that arc, and confirm. Let's reverse the normal there as well. Let's go over here, not reverse normal, but go for another loft and see if it works here as it did over there. So I want to use that edge here and go for, of course, tangency, and then add this arc and that line. Not like this. So go here, over there, and add that line. Nice. And then go for a rail. And that would be this here. And confirm. Let's reverse the normal. Confirm and stitch it. So this one, that one, and this one over there as well, and okay. And now we could hide all the curves and just to take a quick look, go for inspect and go for zebra analysis. So this looks like this. You could add that one as well. And of course this one as well. They all look slightly different, and it's up to you to decide which one you want to keep. So I hope this was helpful, hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would be very helpful. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Facebook, Instagram, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.